Hi. One of the time-saving features that we should utilize in Outlook is creating contact groups. What this does is it shortcuts your emailing process, where instead of having to add every single contact that you always send to one by one, like your work group or team or management or so on, instead of having to add them one by one, what you do is create email groups. We do this by first, top left here to new items, you'll find under more items, contact group. The other option is by going to contacts within your Outlook and then adding new contact group here. After we press on it, it will show you this interface where it will ask you to add the name of the group that you would like. As an example, I'll name my group as my team. So if I want to send them emails, instead of adding them one by one every time, I'll just create my team and then top right will add members. Here you can either add from Outlook contacts if you already have them in your contacts, or from address book, which you can utilize if you're like in a company with an up-to-date address book, or just by manually inputting them. As an example, I'll add one or two from my pre-saved contacts. So what you do is, let's say I pressed on these two emails and it will add them as members to this contact group. Then I'll press OK. It added them here. Let's say I want to add a new contact that I don't have saved on my device. So I'll go with, let's say, techmap128@gmail.com. Here, it's the display name. So for the email address itself, I'll paste the same email as well. And then I want to add it to my contacts for future use. Then I'll press OK. As you can see, it added the email here as well. After you're done adding as many people as you would like, you press on Save and Close. So if we go back to contacts, you'll find here under my team, the group that we just created, and you're able to see members of that email here in the members tab. You can either press send email here, or even if you go back to just the regular email and press new email, here what I can do is write my team. It will show up as a single group. How do we know that it's a group? If you see a plus sign next to the name itself, you know that you can expand this group into multiple people. So if I press on this plus sign right here, or I can right click on the group itself and press on expand contact group. It will tell you that we will expand this list. If there are a lot of members, it will look like a lot, and you want to be able to go back to the content group. So we press OK. As you can see, all three members were listed individually once we expand it. This way, if you want to remove someone for that specific email, or if you just want to see the recipient list, you're able to do so here. And then we just send the email as any regular email. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here are some other guides that might find useful.